I bought this door lock some time ago without even thinking that it could be a left-handed lock or it could be a right-handed lock. I'm not quite sure what makes a door left-handed or right-handed, but when you go into the room, the door handle's on the left-hand side, and when you leave the room, it's on the right-hand side. So I don't know if that's a left or a right-handed door. Anyway, this particular lock, that little part there, is on the wrong side. So when it closes, the striker plate forces it inwards so you can push the door shut. But in this case, it hits against, the striker plate hits that. So I'm going to try and change this around. Just a matter of lifting up those little tabs. Last week I fixed someone else's door handle and it had screws in it, but I think this is a very inexpensive lock, just with the tabs that are folded over. Just 3 of them actually. That should be it. And on the side here there's a space for a screwdriver, so I'm going to lift that up very carefully, and I'm sure everything is going to jump out. There we go. So now, having a look at the inside of this lock, I can actually see that it's not reversible. This is how the lock works, and it's kept in place by this little nylon thing. So if I lift that out, I should have been, there's also a spring in there, which I will just take out, and you can see that that fits in like that, but if I turn it around, it's not going to work. So this video was almost a waste of time, but it's not, because I have another lock and I think it's a little bit of a better lock and I should be able to change that. So here's the second lock that I've opened up. At least these parts are made out of metal, they're not plastic, and it's just a matter of taking this out and turning it the other way around. A little bit tricky getting it back. There we go. This little spring. I've just got to hold that spring back with a screwdriver while I put the other plate back on. There we go. Push these little tabs back into place, press them down like that, just 3 of them, and there we have it.